How's it going? Steve Lennon, website developer, and today I have another website for you. This one's a mobile website. It's called a digital business card, and what you can do with it is you can go ahead and promote your auto repair business or anything else. We can change the colors out, change the look and feel, add what you want into it and make it your own business. But for today, we're talking about the auto dealer business or auto repair industry, should I say. And this converts into a mobile website that can be both a lead collection solution for you and also a marketing solution for mobile related to, let's say, Facebook, Instagram, things like that, where you can go ahead and mobile on or market on other platforms to drive leads to you and capture leads as well. But it also does a little bit more. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to scroll it down and let you see what it looks like. Right here, you can have your name. You can have your company name, your personal name, however you want to do it. We can put your contact information right here. We can either add or delete things that you may want. And down here, we have your follow me, which is your social media. So you can redirect people over to social media to see your 5 stars and, your credibility, that kind of stuff. Also YouTube, if you have YouTube or TikTok or Twitch, Snapchat, whatever you want, we can add or remove them. And then down here, we can add more useful links. So if you have some things that you want to redirect people to, let's say it's a form, or let's say it's something that allows for them to find more information about, or we can have a drop down of products or solutions that you do. There's all kinds of things we can do with this mobile website. So let's go down here. We can add send me a request, and we can do 2 things here. You can put in a person's information on your phone and just send it to your email marketing, SMS text marketing, maybe some videos, whatever you want to capture people's interest and get them to want to use your product or services. Or you can just use it as a lead generation solution on the fly. So let's say you're out at a location and you're in some type of business and you're talking to a client, and the client says, hey, you know what? My friend Sally needs the same service. Well, you can go ahead and just pull up your phone, submit the information, and have that information trigger an event where it goes over to where you either call the person or you can email automatically the person, letting them know, and so much more depending on what you want to do. So if you have some interest in this particular website or many of the others that we can do for you, if you like the look and feel, we can change out the imagery, we can keep the colors, do whatever you want. So get back with me. I'll look forward to talking to you, and we'll go from there. Take care.